back at it again with another video. I'm obviously wearing the same stuff because it's the same day. My boy Andrew hit me up with the last minute meet and I was in the area, so I was like, why not? But my wheels are filthy, so I'm gonna use this last bit of wheel cleaner that I have on me to clean these wheels. Look at that. I have to, bro. It's like going to a date with dirty shoes. Like, it doesn't make sense. So let me try to clean them. I'm not even gonna freaking dry them. I'm just gonna spray this, try to get the most out of it, and yeah, look, that's probably enough for like one more wheel. All right, just get a little bit off. Look at that, it's coming off.
Yeah, that works really well.
Damn.
Yeah, really.
Bro, that was crazy. Maybe because it's hot, I don't know. All right, now you can see the silver. That's perfect. Here's the other one. Let's see how long this lasts me. Oh, it's coming to its end. I'm not even gonna clean the back wheels, but at least the front, you know. I'm gonna have to get those EBC brakes because these are a pain, as you can see. Adams, hit me up, boys. I gotcha. We're all good here with the wheels. Touched her up a little bit, and now we're gonna hear the cold start on this bad boy. You're lucky you have nice neighbors.
I know.
It's so loud. Jeez. Bro, what do you have done to this?
So, Sharkworks X-Pipe, the mid-muffler delete, and then it's got fast speed bypass pipes.
Bypass pipes, okay.
Yeah, it's got stock headers, stock cabs. Yeah, that's the exhaust setup on it.
That's insane,
loud,
bro.
Yeah.
That is so loud. Like, hopefully you guys can hear it through the camera, but it is insanely loud, and he has no valve controllers, so it's like completely loud.
Yeah,
and I don't know the you know, I guess the piping layout.
Yeah.
But you have like the side pipes.
Yeah.
You have like multiple pipes.
This tailpipe, there's a pipe that goes this way to a side pipe.
Okay.
Then the side pipe goes out and it goes this way across.
Okay.
It's an X, so they cross over, and then it goes to the cabs and the header on that side. So the header on that side is what's feeding this, and then opposite, so they cross over.
Oh, okay, awesome.
So it's a very short run because the engine's in the back. But
yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's very loud.
Loud as hell though.
Yeah, it's loud. All right, you ready to go?
Yeah. Let's
All right, let's go check it out. Guys, this thing is so freaking clean. We gotta do rollers with this one. If you guys saw the last video, we did some rollers with my car, testing it out. We gotta hit up Andrew next time and do it with his car because that thing is beautiful. I'm gonna try to get some side shots so you guys can see, but I believe we're pretty close to the meet already. All right, guys, we made it out here. We got almost a skyscraper grade. I don't know if they make the super skyscraper grade, but we made it out here. It's actually a pretty nice turnout so far. Got a Turbo S, got Andrew's Porsche right here, got mine, the Supra, got a X6M. I see Ice Pop over there. I'm surprised he's all the way down here. And then we got some cars over there, some cars over there, some cars down there. We're gonna spend some time here to see how it's going and how it is, and then I'll keep you guys updated. So let's get a closer look at this Turbo S. It's got the gold wheels, and this looks kind of like a Dravit. I don't know, you guys probably can't see that, but it's got the drop top with the tan interior. It's nice. It's like a gentleman spec. 992 Turbo S right here. That thing sounds crazy with the spool, the turbo spool. That's really nice. Then we got the X6M over here with the red guts. It's the wifey spec. I know she would like this one. Look at this looks like an M340 maybe. It's got orange interior. That looks super nice. And it has the big screen, so it might be like a 23, 24. Then we got ice pops. Beautiful. Frozen Portimao M3 right here. I got a nice Brooklyn gray M4 with the black comforts. Got a Z4, beautiful car. I got the Austin yellow F80 M3. This thing is nice. Beautiful, beautiful build. That is beautiful. E46. He's got one seat in there. My boy fast. I don't know. He might be fast. Another Beamer over here. That thing is sitting really nice right there. It's got some nice wheels. Got the carbon hood. Look at that. It's clean. Shout out E46 Panda. Got the carbon trunk. Okay. We see you. Now look at those wheels. Those are nice, bro. Those are mint. Look how clean they are. This is a beautiful, beautiful build. Got some GTIs right here. That's really nice. The paint on that is nice. Mercedes. More GTIs. KDM over here with the Hyundai. Got this nice C7 Vet. Then we got this nice, I think this is an Alfa Romeo. Guys, help me out. I'm pretty sure it's an Alfa. Yeah, I don't know which one though. With the white wheels, green calipers, carbon mirrors. You got that forever stock purple paint right there. This thing is clean. This is Instagram. It's Josh Graham. That's beautiful. It's really nice. And here are my Honda boys over here. This thing is clean. Underground stance. Those wheels are clean on this right here. With the underglow. Guys, how do you feel about the underglow? They coming back or what? You got this EK. JDM. Tiffany blue Accord. Underground stance. Got a carbon hood. Stock wheels. OEM++. This beautiful S2K right here. In that yellow. I forgot the name of those wheels, but I remember when I used to have my Accord, I wanted them. This thing looks super nice. And these have gone up in value a lot. So to see these right here, super clean builds. It reminds me of my boy Alberto. He should have been here. I should have told him, but this was last minute. Here's a black one with the white wheels. This looks pretty stock, but super clean. Got the black on black. Super nice. There you go. Now you can see from the back. Steven, where you at? Got your boy in the ZL1 over here. Those wheels are beautiful too. Whoa. Those wheels, I don't know what they are. I can't see. But those are fire. Pretty nice car. I like that gray too. It's beautiful. It's still early, but it's always nice seeing a little variety of cars. This is a slightly different concept for you guys, right? We go from supercars to JDM to freaking KDM to Nissan and then you got Teteo over there. We're gonna go over there and check out those speakers. That sounds crazy. Listen to that. That's wild. Guys, look at this. That's wild. Guys, that is absolutely insane. That's stuff that you only see in DR, New York, New Jersey, but seeing it in Florida is kind of crazy, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna play it too much so I don't get copyrighted, but that thing is nuts. Look at that thing. That's crazy. A Toronto red M3 over here. Got those bronze wheels. Beautiful. Really nice, really nice. We were just saying, we actually haven't seen this color a lot. Actually in person, I don't think on any vlog I've caught it in person. This is Toronto red. Obviously there's a little bit, it's kind of dark so you can't see too much, but that one's really nice. It looks nice, I like it. If you like red, Toronto red, there you are. We gotta go home, the Midpipe got delivered. Let's go. And the boy the B58, all right. So just came out here, check this out. There's a you know, a little meat, but hey, yo, it was a small car meet. I'm gonna head home and unbox my Midpipe because I want to show you guys that. So I'm gonna head out with Andrew right now. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Damn, I need a haircut. I'm actually getting one tomorrow, but anyway, we made it home and this beautiful package was waiting for me. Let me show you guys. Boom. We got that IRL box. Should I do an unboxing? I was gonna leave it to the video where I actually install it, but I'll just drop an unboxing now and I'll open it up for you guys and let's take a look at what's inside. So let's see what we got here. We got the IRL brace. You guys can see that. We got the IRL. I'm pretty sure this is the valve controller. Let's see how to open this up. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Unleash the beast, you know the vibes. 3M here. Probably just stick that. Got some IRL stickers. Fire, fire, fire. And then obviously here we got the different pipes. This one looks like it comes from the downpipes. Oh, this is the one from that comes down from the downpipes right here for sure. Sheesh. It's huge. And then this one I'm assuming is the one that splits into the muffler in the back. We have the first part of the mid-pipe that comes from the downpipes, canceling the crossover pipe from the S58 on the G80. Then it goes down to the centerpiece right here, and obviously you have the IRL bracket going down to the last two parts right here that goes into the stock muffler. In regards to the valve controller, we got the two motors right here, and then we have the receiver and the controller. And I think you could connect it to the home link on the car, so basically like the garage button, and then there's the wires right under it, so you can connect to, I believe it's the fuse box or the battery. I gotta figure that out still. So yeah, there's a unboxing of the IRL Non-resonated Single mid-pipe plus the valve controller, which is gonna make the car sound insane. Hopefully for the next video it'll be the install. We'll see if I'm able to do that. I'm trying to DIY it myself, so we're gonna see if we could get the car up on the lift and get that done. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.